The experiment we're going to do is magnetic switch. We take two batteries, a magnet, the battery casing, the cable, the LED, and the reed switch. We're going to put the batteries in the battery casing. Then we are going to put the reed switch on the red side. Then do the same with the other cable. We attach the LED to the black side. And see, it's not lighting on. But when I put the magnet close to this, it turns on. What happens? You know, when electric current travels through a light, it burns. Electricity will only flow if it starts from a point and can come back to that point without a broken path. Thus, electricity will travel through the light if the pathway is intact. But the reed switch you use has a broken pathway. In normal condition, two wires are not connected in it. That's why at first the light did not burn. And when we brought the magnet closer, the condition inside the reed switch became connected. Now, the pathway is unbroken and current can easily pass through it.